second day of the Aircraft Interiors and MRO Middle East show, and our coverage brought to you by Joramco. If yesterday was all about the booming MRO market, today the focus was on supply chain challenges and changing cabin interior demands. The Middle East is outperforming the rest of the world for MRO right now, making supply chain challenges a very real concern. And they may get worse before they get better, as airlines push to get flying again.
Over the next 10 years, the Middle East should be taking in about 9% of all the engines, but then that jumps up when you look at the wide-body market. So this region should be taking about 29% of the wide-body, both wide-body aircraft and engine market.
The view from across the spectrum, from heavy maintenance specialists to parts suppliers, is that the continuing shortages of raw materials, spares, shipping capacity and skilled manpower aren't going away anytime soon. So it's going to be a rocky road in MRO for at least another couple of years. But some parts of the chain are breaking free. Sanad Group, part of Abu Dhabi's Mubadala investment structure, said at the show that it is on a fresh new trajectory that will take it beyond its aerospace roots. It's part of the Emirates' strategy to expand its domestic industrial sector. It's still early days, but Mansour Janahi, newly appointed group CEO, said the company will be focused on industrial services that build on its know-how in engine maintenance. Others are acting globally, but thinking locally. AIMES, the Dubai partnership between Saffran Nacelles and AFI-KLM, has stepped up its capability to offer complex IFS replacement at its Dubai facility. This removes the need for Europe visits for repairs on A330's Trent 700 power plant. AIMES also announced that company revenues are up 2.5 times their 2019 figures. Another French company is investing in the Emirates by opening a repair station in Sharjah. Aero Cabin Solutions, which has just signed an MOU with VD Gulf to provide refurbishment and repair of seats, galleys, lavatories, partitions and other monuments, will transfer their EASA Part 145 certification to the new facility. And one French manufacturer hopes an innovative Middle East carrier will see the light when it comes to connectivity, quite literally. Lattercare's Light Fidelity Optic Network is already sparking interest in the business jet sector for its speed, security and ease of retrofitting, with their recent proof of concept hosting an in-flight e-gaming tournament. Changing customer demand, such as online gaming, is shaping what airlines need to provide these days in the cabin, with connectivity now often trumping content.
We do believe that over time this digital environment is going to become even more important for engagement between the airline and the passenger, to be able to provide them with real-time relevant information through the seat back, through their portable device, and be able to enable passengers to use their portable devices on board. We even have the capability to pair portable devices like your mobile phone to the seat back monitor to be able to control different aspects of the experience that you have on board.
Cabin configuration is facing changes too, as airlines look to maximise their post-pandemic profits and entice travellers back on board.
After the crisis, the needs are slightly different. Passengers still would like to travel comfortably, and the premium economy, for example, gives the airlines a better yield because more passengers would fit into the aircraft, and therefore we are very happy in HAECO that we are able to offer this product.
Africa is a region that has been crying out for MRO facilities and engineers. Now the MEASA region's largest independent is offering a helping hand.
Ghana are looking to develop a fairly large maintenance capability with some significant funding behind it. We're very delighted that we've now entered into an agreement with Ghana to provide the initial trainees for that maintenance facility.
And others are eyeing market expansion too, with one of the top operators on the continent ready for the opportunity.
It's very promising for us and very strategic for us for Egypt Air Maintenance Engineering, because we have already customers from Africa. They come to our base in Cairo for C checks for base maintenance, and the point that we want to go to them and their countries because it will be easier for them, and we want to support them whatever it takes.
Well, that's it from us. It's been fascinating to see the surging recovery and the challenge that brings. Our thanks to Joramco for their support in helping us to bring these industry insights to you. The dates for next year have already been announced, and it will be here at DWTC on February the 28th and March the 1st. Book your slot now for what portends to be another very busy event. Goodbye.